Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make chocolate-covered cherry fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. One of my dad's favorite candies was chocolate-covered cherries. This fudge captures all of that classic flavor in a creamy, easy-to-make treat. We've got a milk and dark chocolate combo for the base, maraschino cherries throughout, and a white chocolate drizzle on top. I even added sprinkles. I know, chocolate-covered cherries don't have sprinkles, but I'm just in a sprinkly mood this time of year. The secret to success here is thoroughly drying the chopped cherries so the fudge doesn't turn out soggy. And I'm adding some almond extract, which is what gives you that authentic cherry cordial taste. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own chocolate-covered cherry fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Oh, and I made a few bad decisions along the way. Stick around after the recipe and I'll let you see behind the candy kitchen curtain. For this recipe, I used 1/2 cup of finely chopped maraschino cherries, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 10 ounces of milk chocolate chips, 6 ounces of dark chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of white melting chocolate, and some red sprinkles. I also used an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment paper, a large microwave-safe mixing bowl, a spatula, and a piping bag. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the pan with parchment paper and set it aside. Combine the sweetened condensed milk, dark and milk chocolate, butter, and salt. Microwave it for 30 seconds, stir it well, repeat until it's smooth, then stir in the extracts. Fold in the chopped cherries until they're evenly distributed. Work quickly to avoid the mixture cooling and seizing. Pour the fudge into the prepared pan and smooth the top evenly with a spatula. Refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours until fully firm, then melt the white chocolate and drizzle it over the top. Immediately scatter the red sprinkles over the fudge. Once the drizzle is set, cut the fudge into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. Well, that's pretty dang good. It's smooth and creamy. The ratio of dark to milk chocolate is the perfect bittersweet combo. And the cherry comes in at the end to yell surprise at your taste buds. If you're a fan of chocolate-covered cherries, or if you just love rich, creamy fudge with a classic twist, you really ought to try these. When I was developing the recipe and thinking about the drizzle, I thought I might mix in a little of the liquid from the maraschino cherries to bring a little more cherry flavor and give it a bit of a pink tint. Rookie mistake. It caused the chocolate to seize up, and there was nothing I could do to save it. I know better, I just didn't think things through. So I just melted some more white chocolate and continued the process. No big deal. I didn't get quite what I wanted, but it worked. Also, I'd hoped that the sprinkles would stick to the drizzle. Of course, melted drizzle on fudge straight from the fridge means the drizzle hardens way before I have time to apply the sprinkles. So I just got my offset spatula and pressed the sprinkles directly into the fudge. Not the best solution, but it was good enough. Next time, I think I'll let the fudge come to room temperature first. That should buy me a little time. Anyway, this kind of stuff happens occasionally in the candy kitchen. We just keep moving forward. All go, no quit, as they say. That's all for now, but I hope you come back next week because I have a special episode planned. Thanks for sticking around. One of my dad's favorite candies was chocolate-covered cherries. And this fudge? A large microwave-safe mixing bowl, and I'm adding some almond extract, which is what